pandemic wanderers. Hope you're completely fine and healthy in this era of pandemic. This is a very personal host Shruti Singh. Here to talk about refraction in the cosmos. Well, yes, refraction takes place in the entire cosmos, and the sun you see in the sky is not the real sun. Instead, it is the image formed by your eyes. How? Let's see. So before proceeding with refraction in the cosmos, first it is very important for us to know some of the basics related to refraction. What is refraction? The bending of light when it travels from one medium to the other is known as refraction. You might be familiar with the term reflection. The returning back of light in the same medium is known as reflection. Well, refraction is just the opposite of reflection. Refraction requires two mediums, while reflection is okay with only a plain mirror. Any ray of light can bend in two ways. One, it can bend towards the normal. Second, it can bend away from the normal. What is normal? A perpendicular line drawn with respect to the medium is known as normal. If a light travels from a denser medium to a rarer medium, we can take an example in this context, like if a light ray travels from water to air, water is a denser medium and air is a rarer medium, then light ray will bend away from the normal because it will get more space to travel. While if a ray of light travels in the opposite direction, that is, if it travels from air to water, it bends towards the normal, because water is denser as compared to air. So the main cause of refraction is the change of speed of light in different mediums. To bring more clarity in your brain regarding refraction, I performed certain experiments. Let's have a look at them. You might be familiar with the laws of reflection. Likewise, there are laws of refraction, which were given by a scientist called Snell. The first law of refraction is the incident ray, the normal, and the refracted ray all lie in the same plane. This law is very similar to the first law of reflection. The second law of refraction is sin I upon sin r is equals to constant, and that constant is refractive index. Sin I is the sine of angle of incidence and sin r is the sine of angle of refraction. Refractive index of different mediums is the main cause of refraction. Refractive index is defined as the ratio of sine of angle of incidence in medium 2 to the sine of angle of refraction in medium 1. Refractive index in the plain language of a plain man is the ratio of speed of light in air to the speed of light in that medium. Diamond has the maximum refractive index. It can slow down the speed of light 2.46 times. Speed of light in air is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, and that of the same very light in water is 2 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. So the main cause of refraction is the difference in the speed of light in different medium, which causes the deviation in the direction of the incident ray. You might be knowing that we are able to see the sun and the stars because of the rays coming from it. Yes, we see the sun because of the light rays striking the atmosphere of the earth. The atmosphere of the Earth has its own refractive index. That too, the atmosphere of the Earth is made of many layers. So refraction takes place multiple number of times. The sun you see in the sky is not the real sun. Instead, it is the image formed by your eyes. It is the illusion of your brain. You've been fooled for your entire life. When I first read about it, I literally criticized my brain and eyes for being so dumb that they cannot even see the real object, the real source of energy on which the entire Earth and biosphere depends upon. The stars, the sun, the moon, everything. The sky entirely is fake. It is just the illusion. You might be familiar with oasis. Oasis is seen in desert. You walk on the sand and you see water, which is not real. It is also because of refraction. Or if you are a traveler, you would have seen that on a distant road, water is there. That is not real water. It is actually a refraction. You've been fooled for your entire life. Congratulations for it. Let me beautify this concept a little more. I'm here looking at the sun. The image formed by my eyes will be at a different angle. The eyes of the person sitting next to me will form a different angle. The same sun is seen by both of us at the very same place, but the image of the sun is different. The same sun is different for all of us. It is just the illusion of our eyes and our brain. So, the book recommendation for the day is Stephen Hawking, My Brief History. No, this is not a brief history of time. Instead, it is a sort of biography of Sir Stephen Hawking. So if you are interested to know about the greatest physicist of this generation, this is a must read for you. Sharing with you a dialogue from my book, A Story of Competitive Contemporaries, which is set by Helena, who is one of the main protagonists of the book. The dialogue is, life might be possible beyond the Earth. But first, it is very important to take care of our own planet. Otherwise, Earth will become Venus soon. So, this was all about refraction in the cosmos. If you've got any particular topic or recommendation on which you want me to make a video upon, drop it down in the comment section below. Hope this video elevated your knowledge about the cosmos we are a part of. Thanks for watching.